Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5, and in this video I will show you how to improve battery life of this smartphone. First, open your settings, go to display settings, display and brightness settings, and now scroll down until you see the screen attention feature and make sure that it's turned off because it drains your battery. So make sure that you switch it off, and this will highly affect your battery life in a good way. Now the next thing that you can do is shorten screen timeouts, which you can do by selecting auto screen off option and changing it to at least 30 seconds. Then the next thing that you can do is disable haptics. To do that, go back to settings, select sounds and vibration, select haptics and switch them off. Then you can find the most battery draining apps and switch their background activity to off. To do that, go to battery settings, and in battery settings select power saving settings. Scroll down to app battery management, then select the applications that drain your battery the most. You can find them right here in the battery menu. See which applications drain your battery. For me it's asphalt for the last 24 hours, and if I switch the search to last 7 days, the most battery consuming application is PUBG Mobile. And if I want to restrict the background activity for this application, I have to go to power saving settings, app battery management, then find the PUBG Mobile in here and select restrict background activity. For now I'm gonna use the smart mode because I'm gonna need this application in the future. And the last thing that I want you to change is again located in the display and brightness. And it's optional, but still it will help you a lot if you use the dark mode on your device. So if you can, use the dark mode. And of course, make sure that your device is up to date. So go back to settings, select system and update, software update, and check if you have any updates to install. And if your device's version is up to date, then it's great. And that's all the advice I had for this video, so thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.